Irony of the situation is that in this entire debates equation, I am a Muslim and Riju Datta is not. But having said that, Riju, we are not a party of Shah Jahans. Shah Jahan is not equal to Muslim. Shah Jahan is the mindset that we oppose even if we are Muslim. Secondly, we do not consider Muslim as Dudaru Gai. Like Mamta Didi had said, that even if she keeps kicking me, I will oppose issues of national security because Dudaru Gai ka vote chahiye. Quote unquote as per Mamta Banerjee. Now let me tell you a few facts. It was Abhishek Banerjee who was doing dialogue bazi before your list came out. Ki ami Bangla jane chhe. We write in Bangla. We speak in Bangla. We have always considered everybody to be equal Indians. But now you tell us that party of Shama Prasad Mukherjee is asking party of Shah Jahan that Yusuf Pathan bhai can write and speak in Bangla. Shatrughan Sinha, UP Biharis are gundas. So you are seeing Devta and Shatrughan Sinha. And Kirti Azad's father kidnapped a Bengali girl. Pawan Singh's song you may not like, okay, don't like. He has lived on his candidature. Kirti Azad actually kidnapped a Bengali girl. I have not said this. The other leaders of your party have said it when he was in Congress. Now you tell me, sir, that are these the Bahirgatos or are they Bengalis? Secondly, today look at the hopelessness that when they are seeing that Sandesh Khali has emerged, they are trying to pretend to be the saviors of Hindus. Ram Navami has been declared as holiday. All these years Ram Navami was not being celebrated.
No, but then they are saying they're secular, right? Ram Navami is also a holiday.
I'll expose their
and they have an Haji Nurul Islam also.
I'll expose their
That's secularism.
I'll expose their secularism. This is hijab of being pro-Hindu, while the asli chehra behind this naqab is something else. The asli chehra is of Sayoni Ghosh, who makes fun of Shivji. The asli chehra is of Haji Nurul Islam, who is replacement of Shah Jahan. Actually, Shah Jahan was the original candidate from Basirat. They have just 10 seconds more. They came up with Haji Islam because of the because this man had to be eventually arrested, and then after that they have fielded candidates like Shahnawaz. Now Shahnawaz is from the organization Jamaat-e-Islami, and what was Jamaat-e-Islami in Bangladesh doing to Hindus? We all know, and therefore this is the true chehra. And just 10 seconds more. Wasn't it Mamta Banerjee's government who arrested people for Jai Shri Ram? Wasn't it Mamta Banerjee's government that gave holiday for Shab-e Barat on Monday, even though it was on Sunday? And Ram Navami was not a holiday till that time, Suvendu Adhikari said. Isn't it their government that has always played appeasement card? Ram Navami was changed to Ram Dhenu was changed to Rang Dhenu. So this is the kind of tushtikarana mujhe chahiye TMC mindset.
Okay, respond, Riju.
Can I come in? Yeah. And I hope, Padmaja, you'll give me the equal courtesy of time. Look, in India, we have always known that India is a secular country with different religions. And in Bengal, but two primary religions, Hindus and Muslims, with their own scriptures and belief system, and Muslims with their own scriptures and belief system. But with Shehzad and BJP after 2014, a new breed has come up. Sanatani Muslims. I don't know who they are. How a Sanatani can become a Muslim or a Muslim can become a Sanatani? They are inventing new religions. But we are a party of Gandhi believers and we are a party of Subhash Chandra. We are not a party of covered Savarkar, neither we are a party of murderer like Godse. So there is a basic difference. And talking about Tushtikaran, we don't do Tushtikaran. If you see our candidate list, how many Hindus are there? How many women are there? How many Muslims are there? The senior most candidate is almost 80 years old and the junior most is 28 years old. However, in your party, where you say we give respect to women, how many women are there?
But you know, you're right. You have many Hindus, many Muslims in your list. But then equally, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is asking you, Riju Datta, that why did you replace a Bengali Apurba Sarkar who fought him last time around in Berhampur with a Gujarati Yusuf Pathan? Only because it is a Sarkar versus a Pathan.
No, Apurva Sarkar is already an MLA in our party.
Yeah, but you could have fielded. You could have fielded from Lok Sabha also, no? You could have fielded Apurva Sarkar from Lok Sabha.
Padmaja, we are all very senior spokesperson and very senior journalists. Let's not kid ourselves and have a childish argument. We are in the business of politics where it is about winnability. And in Behrampur, we have fielded one of our best candidates, our trump card, Yusuf Pathan. Yusuf Pathan played for KKR how many years? Yusuf Pathan resided in Kolkata how many years? And who are they fielding? Who are they fielding? My logic is simple. We are here to win. We are going to make sure that we decimate BJP in Bengal and their numbers come down less than 5 in Bengal. Because if you remember, Padmaja, Pradhan Mantri, and I'll ask for 10 seconds now. Pradhan Mantri said the target is 42. Then Amit Shah said the target is 35. Then Amit Shah went on a conclave and said the target is 25. So by the time election is announced, that target will be anywhere 5.
Okay,
So
it's
why are we
deniability,
kidding
not his
ourselves?
religion. I think I was going to call him Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. I think Kamru Zaman Chaudhary needs to respond, but only 10 seconds. Don't take away Kamru Zaman Chaudhary's time.
First of all, you may not understand Sanatani Muslim because Sanatan is our culture, Muslim is our religion. But having said that, you are seasonal Hindu. Seasonal Hindu is that who says that we'll put you in jail for Jai Shri Ram, and now you're talking about Ram Navami. But having said that, respect for women, Bhai Sahab, party of Shah Jahan, after saving him for 55 days and then trying to escape him from the CBI custody, you should be the last person, Rijuda, spokesperson of Shah Jahan, to talk about women's right. So I think let's leave it at that. And you gave 2 sitting BJP MLAs tickets, but you are not willing to give a MLA of yours a ticket. This only shows your hypocrisy. बाहर गा तो आहे या नहीं, ये बताओ.